Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll look at accounts payable, special transaction of down payment. So we go to accounting, financial accounting, and then we go to accounts payable. So this is down payment to the supplier or vendor. And then we go to document entry, and then we look for down payment. Now, first what we'll do is we'll record or notate the request that was received for down payment from the supplier. So we'll go to F-47. So we are in the down payment request. So we received a request from vendor or supplier to request down payment. So 14, and we'll select the account here. So we'll pick this one, and this says target special. So target meaning the request will be processed by when we actually post the down payment. So we'll select A. Even though the indicator for down payment request is F, but this is target. So down payment indicator A follows request. That's why. So company all the information is here. We create new item. So we'll post $5,000 as down payment to the vendor due on, let's put today's date. And so this is just a noted item. So we just click on save. This document was posted. Now if you go look at document and display, it will just say a request, down payment request received, but it's not a GL document. There is no financial impact due to this, but this is purely a noted item, so no financial impact due to the request. Now we posted request. Now few days later, then you want to go and post the down payment, that is F-48. So you go in here, you put a document date of today, and account, so vendor account here just for this. And so we want to $5,000. Now, oh, sorry, this is account. So account is, so this will be your bank, or this will be your GL bank or cash account. So it's post cash. Um, what else? Okay, so now let's go to requests. Okay, so let's look at, so this will be down payment A. So let's look at the requests, and this is amount 5,000. Let's look at the request. So it is picking this request. So let's post to create down payment. So now in this case, now the actual down payment paid by cash will create a GL document once we post. So click on post and post the document. So if you look at the document display, so this is the document display, and this is a special GL indicator A, which says down payment, and this is the GL view as well with the special indicator GL. And if we look at the vendor line item, so FPL1N, and if we look at all items, supplier account, the one ending with 224. So and then it says normal item, special transaction, special and then noted item. The noted item won't be shown because it's already cleared by the down payment we made. Yeah, so here we are looking for special trans. So this is the down payment we made, $5,000 to the vendor, that is open. So we'll process this once we receive the invoice. So this is from today, and this KA was your noted item that was cleared. So no financial impact, but this is just shown for all the vendor transactions. Right. So we'll continue this. We'll process next the invoice, and then we'll post the payment for the invoice, which will be more than $5,000. Thank you.